Today I've got a special treat for you guys. We're going to talk about our best-selling fifth wheel. Let's take a look. Amazing couples coach fifth wheel. This is the Jayco Eagle HT. This is the 29 RLC. Great size. Gonna need a 3/4 ton to tow it, but this is one of our smaller units. This is gonna be a mid-profile as well. Zoom out here. See that painted fiberglass front. It's not gonna chip and get nasty as you're going down the road. Got your pin box down there below, and then behind that, got a little bit of space for your generator, batteries, etc. You do have a 19-foot awning out here. And this unit's gonna be 34 feet, 1 inch long, 12 foot, 3 inches high, 8 feet wide. You're gonna have a fresh capacity of 52 gallons, gray capacity of 82 gallons, black 45 gallons, and then you've got 80 pounds worth of propane on here as well. That's door right there is for your propane. Take a look at it here. And then we've got one more on the other side as well. See some really great pass-through storage. This is commercial grade rubberized material in here. I don't have the light on in here. We should probably turn the light on. So you do have a little light over there to the side. You've got your selectors for speakers, HDMI, solar control panels in here, USB, USB-C, and cable antenna. Got a little port that you can put some cables through down there. And then over here, something real special. You've got the Nuvo H2O water system. So that first one, that first filter, I should say, on there, that's going to be for your sediment filter. That's going to keep out things like rock, dirt, soot, things like that. The other two filters are going to be iron filters. So those are going to remove your heavy metals. Basically, it's going to keep all the buildup off your toilet, your sink, your shower, kind of all those rust stains you would see. So really useful, especially because inside you do have that porcelain toilet. Some other things to go over about this Eagle. This does come with the luxury pack. Let me squeeze through here. Couldn't get this one pulled out so I could give you guys a little bit better view. Come around the back here. We're going to talk about that here in a second. You got the luxury pack on this one, which is going to give you blackout shades with the reflection. You've got electric, auto leveling. You've got the J-port right out here, and that's for your griddle. So this is going to come with the Halo griddle. You put it in that J-port there, and then you're going to have a griddle out here. And then here, you've got your water hookup as well for that outside kitchen. You do have some power here if needed. This is for an extra light back here. And then some other things that we're going to go over inside: a 10 cubic fridge, residential shower with glass door, washer and dryer prep, and the Jayco microwave and oven. As we look towards the top here, something special about the Jayco fifth wheels. So every Jayco comes with a Magnum truss roof system. However, this has got a 3/8 inch plywood sheathing on top, and then obviously that TPO on top of it there. Zoom in because you do have your rear camera prep there. Obviously your ladder. You do have your hitch back here, which is great, right? You can put like a little carrier or do a little bit of towing as well. So 3,000 pound tow rating on that 2-inch receiver hitch, 300 pound hitch. Come around the other side here. Do you have your slide? That is going to be a cable slide. And then the slides are prepped for slide toppers as well. So you can get an easy install there. And then down below, we zoom in here. You can see some of the electronic leveling. We're going to make our way back around here. One more thing I want to talk about is the Dexter axles. So this is going to come with Jayco's 4-star handling package. So you've got your Dexter axles, never adjust brakes, your easy loop hubs, and then an ABS brake system with anti-sway. Come back up here to the front. Remember, all Jaycos are going to come with the 2+3. It's going to give you 2 full camping seasons. Speaking of seasonal, full-time, then you can see there, kind of hidden back there, is the climate shield. So what makes the climate shield special? This is going to be a fully enclosed and ducted underbelly, 35K BTU furnace, double layer insulation on the ceiling and floor, and PEX plumbing. If we look in here, you can see some of that PEX plumbing here on the underbelly. You got that foil for that insulation, all aluminum framed. Yeah, let's go take a look at the inside. As we head inside here, we do have the More Ride step above steps. We've got 2 speakers there. Love these foldable handles. Right before we get inside too, I forgot to mention, this is $97.99 on the dry, $11,549 gross vehicle weight. All right, so now we're inside. Kind of give you a quick spin around here. Just show you everything we're going to go over. Back up there is the bathroom and the bedroom. But let's start where we came in the door here. Something new for this year. So we've got a BM Pro, but notice this is not touchscreen, which I really like. So you've got all your settings here, your living room, your bedroom, exterior, water pump, your slide outs, awning. Right here is going to give you all your levels. You can Bluetooth pair this, and then this is all going to hook up with J Command on your app, which is going to be great. So if you are letting this sit somewhere, you can access everything. You do have that Coleman Mach 15K AC. This does have a second AC as well in the bedroom. Those are both fully ducted. Come out here. This is one of these things that I really love about this kitchen is the space. So you do have the full-size GE microwave, some beautiful cabinetry up top there, more beautiful cabinetry underneath. A little bit different style this year. Gold handles. Love that butcher block top. And again, this is going to be great for Keurig, your ice maker, maybe just having food spread out if you're hosting somebody, which would be great. See, 75-pound drawer capacity, all ball bearing slides, all handmade construction. Go up to the top, same thing, all wood construction, residential hinges. You guys, this is so important because obviously you're using these all the time. Opening, closing, you're in a rolling earthquake. Not to mention, if for some reason, say these bottom ones, say you spill some water and something gets wet, laminate is going to bubble that up. So with this being real wood, it's going to last over time. Come over here to the slide. So rather large slide you've got on this side. Again, this is part of that opposing slide. You've got a 10 cubic foot GE profile fridge. Kind of like this fridge. They gave it a nice glass front, rounded corners up there. Got a good sized fridge, some storage there. Down below, crisper, and I love how much this door has. So stuff for cans or bottles, different foods, milk. Really useful there. Zoom out on this side, you do have a 3-burner GE profile stove and oven. Up top, you've got more storage plus some accent lighting. All this opens up. Again, really nice hinging. Great storage in there. Storage all down below. Jayco with a 2-tone cabinetry, which I really love this year. Come around here. Already got this all wide open for you. So you can see underneath the sink, you've got a little bit of shelving on the left and then a spot on the right there. You can actually get a trash can under there now, which is, again, really nice. Come over to the island. And again, really large island here. It's got some lighting underneath. Can't see it that well right now, but it does have some accent lighting, plugs, and then this amazing sink. So this is the new multi-function sink. So right here, that's going to be for your water, hot and cold. This right here actually opens and closes this drain. So you don't actually have to reach down in the water anymore, which is kind of nice, better than my house. You got a fruit wash here. This is all going to be waterfall, soap dispenser, and cup washer. Oh, and then also telescoping faucet there. Come around across from the kitchen, you've got your dinette. So you've got your 2 chairs here. And then you've got kind of a little ottoman here you can sit on. So you've got storage inside underneath. Or this can be taken out, maybe put it in front of the couch, and you've got 2 separate chairs that come with this as well. You do have your USB, USB-C. Right here, you got your light switch. Blackout shades, as I mentioned earlier, with reflective backing, which is really nice. Keep it cool in here. Love this table. So that's on a strut. This extension piece pulls out. Put that back down. Now you've got yourself a larger table. Give yourself a little bit of elbow room. So really nice feature there. Do have all cloth. And the reason Jayco does this is so you stop with the cracking and the peeling that you see in all the other campers. We get so many used campers in, and that's the first thing that's ruined in it is the furniture. So many customers talk about replacing their furniture, and they usually think 85% replaced with cloth. So you do have recliners over here with cup holders, arm opens as well. Getting some accent lighting above, blackout shades, charger, and window switch. You'll also notice that the slide here, no carpet, flush slide. Come around to this side. You've got some USBs, regular plugs down here, storage area, again, cup holders. This is going to come out to a full-size bed, which is really nice. So this is a couple's coach, but maybe you got the grandkids or somebody else with you. That is a spot for them to sleep. Some accent lighting down below. Tons of storage up above here. I mean, literally tons. And really, they put this nice storage kind of everywhere in here. Spin around, and right across from the recliners, which is what I love about this, is you do have a nice living area. So you got your 5,000 BTU electric fireplace. That's either going to be for show or go, because it is going to be able to heat. That's going to use your electric natural propane. You get your TV, a little bit of storage down over there. Then you've got your spot right here. This is going to be your switcher for your speakers and Bluetooth A and B speakers. Standout feature that I haven't showed yet, we've kind of walked past it. It's this door right here. What is behind this door? Well, an amazing pantry. So you can see it lights up as we open it. These are all adjustable shelves, which is amazing. I have pups, so I know I'd have dog food down there on the floor probably. Make sure all my food's up. And all these have lips on them as well, so nothing's going to come crashing out. And then something kind of cool, if you got kiddos or maybe you want to make notes, this is liquid chalkboard on here as well. So a couple other little notes. You do notice they've got some new backsplash for 2026. You've noticed the new colors. Take one more spin around here because we're going to look at the ceiling. Yeah, we talked about the 3/8 inch. Something we haven't talked about is the Helix air system. So this system is 40% quieter. And basically you can see here, Jayco's got a different duct design. So they're using rounded ducts. They're not using 90s. That's going to help the airflow. They're also using thinner duct design as well, which allows for more insulation in the ceiling and also allows for better airflow. Now, another thing you will see is you're not seeing any AC unit. There is no direct dump here. They've got larger returns built right in here. So you got a return there, and you got a return here. And then all your AC ducted. This AC is whisper quiet. This is going to run, you're not even going to hear it. It's going to be like you're at your home, which is another thing that I love. If you've got this nice living and you're living in what, well, some people do live in them, very, very quiet. Enjoy your serene surroundings. All right, so that's going to take us out of the living and the kitchen area. Let's go back here to the bathroom. So pretty standard as far as Jayco bathrooms go. You've seen them before, but they do have a new finish on the shower, which I absolutely love. Kind of this marbling. Also, something I noticed is they dropped the shower down a little bit, so you get a couple more inches there. But then up at the top, you got a massive skylight, which gives you so much more headroom. So really a lot more comfortable in there as far as the shower goes. Got some hooks there. Again, porcelain toilet down below. You've got your sink, vanity. Open that up. Always love a nice medicine cabinet. Keep your toiletries. This is a pocket door that closes. You do have an attic fan in here as well. And then this is one really cool feature I love. So we're getting ready to go into the bedroom, and this opens up to the bedroom. So you can hang some clothes in here. You could put towels. This is prepped for a washer and dryer, so that can be in here as well. Got storage all the way down, which is great. Another nice thing I think they went with this year is these new high-intensity LED puck lighting. Just look really nice, low profile. And we're gonna go back into the bedroom here. We do have a northwest bed, a north-south bed, but what's really nice is this gives you walk-arounds. So you still got plenty of room in front, plenty of room on the sides. These are CPAP ready on both sides, so you can plug them in. Plus you've got drawer storage down below and right there. Got your opening storage here. And I like that they leave plenty of room underneath. So that way, if you want to put a little fan or something, you can. Got a little storage. I don't know, maybe your phone goes back there, book. Again, high intensity LEDs. You've got your second AC back here. This is ducted AC, so it works with all your vents. I'm gonna turn around. You got a nice spot for a good sized television. 3 hooks, which I like. Maybe you can, jacket, robe, I don't know. This is that cabinet I was talking about. This again goes through to the bathroom. You see your prep there for your washer and a dryer vent cutout area. You got some huge dresser drawers below, which is great. Walking around here to the other side of the bed. My camera's not cooperating, sorry. More storage. USBs back there as well. And then as always, duck underneath here. Huge storage underneath. You can see we got plywood, not OSB. That's your 50 amp cable down below, gas struts. And then one more call out, because I think this is amazing. Right here, you've got your AC. So when you're laying in bed and you're like, oh my gosh, it's too hot or too cold or whatever the case may be, you can adjust it without getting out of bed. I think that is very nice. Wood door there. Again, we talked about it. Pocket door here for the bathroom. We haven't talked about the floor yet. So something that's different about the floor from the last unit that I just talked about, the travel trailer. This is a 5/8 inch tongue and groove, screwed and glued. This is a residential style floor. And again, it's on a chassis specifically designed for this floor plan. Give you one more spin. And that is your beautiful 29 RLC. All right, we are back outside the unit. I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I forgot when we first came out here. These are your provisions here. You've got your pump, city water connection, sanitized, black, both your gray water valves, satellite cable provisions, extra plugs there. We already talked about your Nuvo H2O system. This is gonna be your extra 40 pounds on your propane. Get your 50 amp plug, your Suburban 60,000 BTU tankless water heater, H-rated tires, aluminum wheels. All right, so again, this was my 29 RLC by Jayco. This is a 2026 model. Hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough. I tried to speed things up a little bit. Maybe you don't have 25 minutes to watch. Please let me know down in the comments below if you like the slower videos, the faster videos, if I'm missing something that you want to see. Can't wait to show you guys the next one. Thanks.